it's not obvious that I'm here at the altar area, then I'll do that as quick as I can. Look at the new floor. It makes circles like the atrium actually did the same. The altar is made of marble, and look at the ancient 1930 mosaic. The other side there's another mosaic. The little lamp, and the ambo is made of metal. Then they can move it when they do have concert here. The blue color. The blue color is the color of Mary, and you can see Mary and the child, and 2, 4, 6 of the prophets. For example, Daniel, Zechariah, Isaiah, and the angel Gabriel tells Mary that she will carry the Son of God, and the windows here are facing to Pentecost room, the room of the Last Supper. This is something special for me. The cross is made of olive wood, and it's a big floating cross. The cross itself, the wood itself, is from Nazareth, and that's the one who, and it was designed there. I must say that it's so rare that I'm here. Father Basileos actually gave us a tour for tour guides, and that we did it. I don't want to leave that place. Just happy to be here. Then Mary, and then Betty, Georgine. I know that you are with me now. I'm not sure that I talked about the 4. I can see it's 4 squares. It actually represents the Jerusalem cross. It's not lit, it's by the sun, and the onyx windows made of marble, very thin marble, then I can actually enjoy the light most of the day here. I don't want to go. I don't want to leave. I don't want to leave that place. We are the Church of the Dormition, my, I must say, almost favorite place in Jerusalem. Thank you for being with me in that amazing time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please.